You wanna go to the big kid swing?
Yeah.
Alright. You swinging like a big kid? Are you high? How high? So high? Wait, Eli. That's how you do it? Cool. Kick it out. Bring it back. Kick it out. Bring it back. Kick it out. Bring it back. Are you guys going high? Uh-oh. Sarah, what are you making?
Spaghetti. I'm gonna eat the spaghetti. Definitely. Need to go just to get it. Let's go in the jet of food. So tasty.
You want to get just as that?
Yeah, and I
Don't touch it, okay? Don't touch, don't touch.
I want to get just some.
We'll get him,
This one.
you want to get him that?
Yes. And then.
Now we have to get him some bigger food.
But it's too bad.
I'll carry it, okay?
They just want this one.
Just this one's that?
Yeah, and he likes this.
That's his favorite food?
Yeah.
Hold the bottom, Eli.
Oh my fluff and cookie.
Is it heavy?
Don't hold my fluff and cookie.
Okay.
You don't hold the glove and cookie.
Are you guys ready to go? Yeah.
I want this one.
Yeah? Okay, put it back. Let's go.
No! You got this food. Sweet. So happy.
Who's gonna be happy?
Yes.
Justice gonna be happy? What did you get, Justice?
I need treats.
You got him treats?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Food?
And you got him food?
Yeah.
Oh, he's gonna be happy? Alright, let's put it in his bowl, okay? Eli, bring the food so I can open it. You're so strong, Eli.
Mommy, what
What are you guys doing?
I don't know. We're doing just the food out.
You giving Justice food?
Yes. No, he's not. He's gonna be so happy.
He's gonna be so happy?
And now it's not enough.
That's enough?
No.
Wait, how about a little more? Put a little more.
Little more. That's a little more.
Put a couple more, a few more handful. Justice likes to eat, right?
Eli!
Is it all done?
Yes.
Say all done. Say all done. Justice is so happy to see his food. You done eating? Is Justice done eating?
No, not yet.
What is he doing, Eli?
He wasn't done eating.
He's eating his food?
More.
Almost done? You helping him?
You want need to wash his hands.
Yeah, Eli got to wash his hands again.
Hey, Eli. He ate all.
He ate all?
Yeah.
Clap for Justin. Good boy, Justin. Ah, he ate all his food.
Now he needs something.
Now he needs water.
Yeah, water. And I need water. You are a so much boy. Okay, Martin was the water. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.